Hi guys, welcome to another video on Jay's workshop. I'll be showing you how to change the front brake pads on a 2005 Hyundai Getz. First you have to jack the car up, and then you have to undo the nuts on here, which are 21mm, and take the wheel off. You need a 12mm socket for the bottom. Just gotta take it off. So it's a long nut, you shouldn't lose it. And then what will happen, it's not like other cars where you take off the two nuts and you got to hang it up with. On this car you just literally undo the bottom one and you flick it up like so, and they'll just stay there, and you can take out your old pads. You need to get the screws to wedge your old brake pads out like so. As you can see, they're done, and the same on this side as well. So this one, these pads only come with one wear sensor, which goes on the driver's side on the inside, so remember that. So what you're going to do is give this a good clean up, give it a wire brush. So this kit doesn't come with new metal plates. These metal plates don't come with new ones. Usually we go for Paget or Brembos. They come with these new plates, so I have to do what I can with these ones. So I'm just going to give them a good clean and use some brake. We need to wind back the piston using a piston wind back tool. Until it's fully compressed. So the piston is fully winded back. Got the new pads here. Cleaned it all up in there, so I'm just going to put a bit of copper grease on the end of there and the end of here. A bit of copper grease on both ends. Just slide them into place. Just slide them into place like that. I'm going to do the same for the inside one as well. That. You can put this back on top, like so. Get your 13mm pin. Tighten up the nut. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and then after you complete both sides, put the wheels back on, torque up the nuts to the right spec, pump on the brake inside, on the brake pedal, start the ignition, brake pedal should go down, and that's your job done. That's how easy it is to do the brake pads on the Hyundai Getz. Please like, share and subscribe.